Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Gmail not receiving email issue. If Gmail isn't receiving emails, the first step is to check your internet connection. So here you could either swipe down and go to internet, and then you could check whether you're connected to a stable ones or not. You could also try using a mobile data for a couple of seconds and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If that's not the case, you could also check the storage. Sometimes if you have a storage full, then it could lead to such issue. So you want to go to Gmail, tap on the try bar icon, and here you want to go to settings. Then you want to go to general settings, and then you want to go ahead and look for any sort of storage issue or not. And what next you could also do is you could also make sure to check your spam folder. Sometimes you might have the email associated to your spam folder as well. The next thing what you could do is, in order to fix it, so you could also try using a browser. In order to access, you want to exit out and go to the browser, type in account.google.com, and then sign into your Gmail account. That should be able to help you out. If not, you could also go to the Gmail settings. Likewise, what you could also do is you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. Long press to it and go to the app info section. Here you want to go ahead and make sure to click on storage and cache. Make sure your cache is deleted. That should be able to help you out. If not, try restarting your device, and you could also check your credentials. Sometimes you might have entered the wrong Gmail address, which is why you are unable to receive emails. So you could go ahead and check that out, and that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.